So you want to make the perfect camembert because you've been to dinner parties and you think, oh, I'd like to do that, but you've got no idea. Well, this is the place to be. Get your camembert out of the fridge. You need this one because it's basically the main camembert vehicle of choice. Le Rustique, a French one, and I tell you what, you can never go wrong with this. Turn the oven on to 180 fan. There it is. Get some kind of tray, put some tinfoil on it if you want to make sure that there's no spillage or anything like that. We're going to do a method here though where there isn't spillage. And you're going to take the lid and put it upside down like that. The next thing you do is take the wrapping off this. I'll do that for you now so you don't have to watch that process. Oh yeah, get rid of this red bit because I've put it in before and that's set on fire, so that's no good. And then put the inner bit, the base, inside the lid. But do not, absolutely do not do this. Let these creases line up here. If you do that, there's a good chance that it will break and spill. So turn that somewhere else so that it doesn't have a chance to spill. Next thing to do is put the camembert in the base. Make sure it's that way up. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut across in the top of your camembert as deep as the lid will allow. So here comes the optional bit, garlic cloves, which I must say do make it taste next level. If you're having a dinner party of some description, you'll find this makes a world of difference. Don't bother taking the skin off because life's too short. You just want to put these in. Don't worry if it's all a bit messed up. You know, you ain't got time for that. You've got a dinner party to prepare for. And that is a good situation to be in there. Open the oven. Oh, sorry, I should show you. Open the oven. Oh, I've got a tray in there already. Never mind. Get it and shove it in. Gosh, doesn't really matter where. And what you want to do is put it in there for 25 minutes. I don't know why I'm filming this black surface because it doesn't show you anything. 25 minutes, so set your timer and make yourself a drink. It's been 25 minutes. I hope you had your drink. Right, let's bring out the camembert and I'll show you how to open it up, get rid of them garlic cloves because you don't really want them involved in the eating process. Don't forget to turn the oven off, by the way. I don't really have enough free hands to do this for you, but I'll just show you. Normally I use the knife and the fork to lift the flaps, which means get the garlic out. You see what I mean? It doesn't really matter that the skin's on it because it's all going to come away, that wash. And that is absolute perfection for a baked camembert.